Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Do your legs look like a roadmap to nowhere with those pesky bulging veins? Imagine if I told you the secret to smooth, gorgeous legs is as close as your backyard. No, I'm not talking about some mystical potion brewed by fairies. I'm talking about a natural remedy so powerful, the pharmaceutical companies wish they could keep it hidden. Today, we're diving into a solution that can transform your tired, vein-riddled legs into sleek, healthy limbs. No fairy dust needed. Now, you might be thinking, why are some people strutting around with vein-free legs while I'm here looking like a human varicose vein exhibit? Well, their secret could be a humble leaf sitting right in your kitchen. Yes, I'm talking about the magical lemon leaf. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'll share an ancient recipe backed by science and tradition. This isn't just another miracle cure you'll find on the internet. This is the real deal, folks. But first, let's get a bit nerdy and understand what varicose veins really are. They're those swollen, twisted veins that pop up under your skin, usually on your legs. Think of them as little blood traffic jams caused by weak or damaged valves in your veins. Instead of blood flowing smoothly, it decides to take a scenic route and pools up, making your veins enlarge and become visible. There are several culprits behind varicose veins. Aging. Our veins, like everything else, lose elasticity as we get older. Genetics. If your family tree looks like a roadmap of varicose veins, you might be in for the same fate. Pregnancy, extra weight and hormonal changes can pressure your veins. Thanks, babies. Obesity. Carrying extra weight strains your circulatory system. Standing or sitting for long periods. Whether you're binge watching or standing all day, your veins aren't happy. Lack of exercise. Physical activity keeps your blood moving smoothly. Now, let's squeeze the juicy details out of lemons. These zesty fruits are not just for making lemonade. They're packed with nutrients that target varicose veins head-on. Here's what makes lemons your leg's new best friend. Vitamin C. This powerhouse vitamin is crucial for collagen production, keeping your blood vessels strong and elastic. Flavonoids, particularly hesperidin, which improves blood circulation and strengthens vessel walls, preventing blood from pooling. Antioxidants. These bad boys protect your vessels from damage caused by free radicals. Alkalizing effect. Despite being acidic, lemons alkalize your body, balancing pH levels for better vein function. Diuretic properties. Lemons help flush out excess fluids, reducing swelling and pressure in your legs. Ready to put lemons to work? Here's my special lemon leaf tea recipe that'll have your veins dancing with joy. Ingredients: 2 fresh lemon leaves, unsprayed, 300 ml water, 1 tablespoon honey, preferably heather or sage honey. Directions: 1. Wash the lemon leaves thoroughly. 2. Boil the water in a small pot. 3. Add the lemon leaves, reduce heat and simmer for about 5 minutes. 4. Remove from heat, strain into a cup and let it cool slightly. 5. Stir in the honey. This tea is not just delicious, it's a powerhouse for your circulatory system. No lemon leaves, no worries. You can use lemon juice. Ingredients: juice of half a lemon, 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon honey. Directions: 1. Mix the lemon juice and honey into the warm water. Drink this tea warm in the morning on an empty stomach and again in the evening before bed for the best results. Many people see improvements in their vein health within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. Some notice reduced swelling and discomfort even sooner. Besides drinking lemon tea, here are a few more ways to use lemon for varicose veins. Lemon water. Start your day with warm water and lemon juice to flush out toxins and kickstart your metabolism. Topical application: gently rub lemon juice on the affected areas, but be careful with sun exposure afterward. Lemon essential oil. Mix with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage into your legs. For the best vein health, combine lemon treatments with regular exercise, leg elevation, compression stockings, staying hydrated, and eating a healthy diet rich in fiber, vitamin C, and flavonoids. Remember, lemon might not cure severe varicose veins. Those might need medical attention. If you have large, painful veins, consult a healthcare professional. And if you have sensitive skin, be cautious with topical lemon juice applications. Consistency is key. Regular use of lemon can help improve vein health within weeks to months. Prevention is easier than treatment, so incorporate lemon into your routine even if you don't have varicose veins yet.